You've probably heard of the phrase, adopt, don't shop. That is what SOSD believes in. SOSD is a volunteer-run organisation dedicated to the welfare of Singapore's street dogs. Their role is to rescue, rehabilitate, and rehome strays to give them a second chance at life. Running an organisation at this level requires a large amount of resources, and we are seeking help. If you are an animal lover and would like to do your part, there are a few ways to go about it. Sponsoring, donating. We accept donations in the form of cash or even in the form of food. If you would like to be even more involved, you can volunteer at our shelter. There are many roles available like walking dog, kennel cleaning, dog transport, and many more. You can pick one that suits you best. Last but not least, the biggest impact you can make is to foster or adopt. Adopting a dog is a big responsibility, and you need to carefully consider the many factors. However, the experience of adopting a sheltered pet is truly rewarding. We look forward to hearing from you.